What's up, everyone? Hope you are all doing great. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do vibe coding. So welcome to the chat and welcome to the live stream. So I have this project that I'm working on, but I need to work on some stuff that I need to work on. So if you want to stay on the live, you are welcome to stay. I'm going to be working vibe coding. You know what I'm saying? I just woke up, so don't worry about my voice. So let's see here. There is some stuff that obviously you can't see. That's normal. Now you can see only this screen, but I actually have another screen on the bottom that maybe you are not seeing. So welcome everyone, welcome Poco F5 and 5E, welcome to the chat. So now I want to work on one of the latest things that is on the actual VPS, which means I need to go here to icosi.com. Actually, it is this screen that the one that you can see. So let me actually put it there. And here I have to go to this dash, then go to logout, login. AI codes it. So welcome everyone. If you have any questions, I am ready to answer on the chat. So just let me know if you have any questions about what I'm doing or what are my plans or something. Just let me know. So now I need to check the one thing on the VPS before starting. I need VPS and storage, memory. And I need to talk with the AI. So you see there is something I shouldn't open. Alright, let's get started, guys. I'm gonna get started with a free account. Alright, I'm gonna go with a free account that I had. Let me actually check out. So alright, let's go. Here it is, and let's get started, okay? We have here, okay. So everything going right. Alright. Let me see if I can move this to the here. And now, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to create a project and I'm going to call it testing AI, okay? So I need to test one thing first before doing everything else, which is one of the AI models which I have collected, which is now the GPT 5 for Nano. And I'm going to tell it something that is difficult, like for example, make a website that has a login function and a email collection system that stores the emails on the database. This is a complex task for a dumb AI, but if it's a smart AI, like for example the GPT 5.4 Nano, is something good, which makes the understanding and understands stuff and knows how to do it. And so in this case we may get a response which is correct, but I don't know. Okay, so now in this moment we are going to wait for the AI to make the response, and after that we are going to tell the AI to make different changes on it. So we are going to tell it like make more I don't know, more colors, or change the design, make it look better, or something, stuff like that. So that's what we are doing. And also I need to check on my side the costs of all these AI prompts, because it does have a cost on the background. So that's why there is a free and pro and basic and max plans, so that people can actually spend on the credits, and they can have AI responses. So they actually spend depending on how much they want to spend. So if they want to spend more AI credit, they need to go to another plan. And I'm planning to make for example, you can stay on the basic plan, but once your credits are over, for example, you see here 5 credits used. For example, I can add a button here. Oh, by the way, it looks very nice. So I can add a button here that says buy more credits, and then you can buy more credits at a set price. Let's see in this case. So it made some things on the database. Let's read this. So supposedly it created table called newsletter emails. Let's check that. For in this platform, which is AI codes it, my platform, we have a database integrated. So we click on database and we see if the AI did it. So the AI didn't do it. Why? Because I know that the DB key, it should have been different. It needs it needs to be like this. Let me see. So it needs to be like this, and this one like this, in order to work. But the AI in this case didn't understand it, and it's like understandable, because GPT 5.4 in this case is not the best one, is the nano version. So it's one thing to note, which means I will still need to change some AI models. But let's try to tell it that you didn't do the database correctly. You have to try again on another way. I don't want to tell it how to do it. It should understand it itself, right? But right. So these things. Let's check first the website. Let's see testing AI. This is how it looks on mobile version. Let's check it first. Okay, so we have no emails, but let's check. Of course, it's not going to save any email, right? So let's check it. Save email. Sign in to create account. So okay, let's create an account. So let's open it on desktop. Let's click on login, create an account. Let's create this name, this email, password. By the way, the design doesn't look very nice, so I will need to, oh no, let me see. Okay, so it's still here. Confirm password and create account. Account created, please log in. So now it tells me that I have to log in. Let me check, login. So okay, it looks like I'm logged in. Secure, logged in as user, status, your saved emails, collect emails. I guess I can save an email here. Please log in first, but I'm already logged in, so like it doesn't really look like, okay, it does have some login detection, but I don't really like it that much. So now I'm going to test another model. Okay, I'm going to copy the same prompt, and I'm going to go back, and I'm going to delete this project. I'm going to create a new project, and I'm going to just start again. Okay, I'm just going to tell it the same, but in this case I'm going to use the Qwen 3.6 model, which was actually the default model which I use in this platform to create websites actually by default if you have a plan. So let's see this response, and I also want to see next this model writing it. So okay, this one looks like it understands it. So as I told you, it is doing this correctly, so it has a better understanding than the Qwen GPT 5.4 model. So now I'm going to do one thing, which is I'm going to duplicate this page, and I'm going to actually go back to the dashboard, and I'm going to create a new project. Oh, I cannot create a new project. I have to upgrade, but okay, so let's just stay on this project. Let's wait until it finishes. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to test this liquid thinking free model, and I wanted to see the thinking output, how it looks on my platform. So this is what I wanted to do. Okay, so let's just wait. I cannot do anything else. By the way, this is how the platform looks. You can create a new project here. You can check the documentation. You can get more information about the platform. It is very extensive on information on how the platform works. So you are welcome. And I'm working also on the templates page. So now we have here the templates, but now we are working on another project. So let me check this. I have to go back to there. Okay, now I have to go to here. Okay, it looks good, it works good, everything running well. Okay, then now I have to check this. I want to create a new template. I should be able to create a new template, right? So project limit reached. Very nice. So I cannot create a new project. Very nice. Everything working fine. Everything is working correctly, guys. So if you want to check this platform, is just you have to go here, type AICodesIt.com, and then you click. You get to the homepage, and on the homepage you can create a new account or select a plan, stuff like that. So you all guys are welcome. Actually, this is how the website looks. Make website in minutes with AI. So, but now with AI. So now it looks different, guys. So it looks like this. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, make a website in minutes with AI. So this is how it looks now. It's a very good pricing, guys. You should just subscribe, guys. Get in. You should get in. Now we wait for it to write. We need to check also on the usage of it. Logs. Let me see, for example, one of the last messages that we did with the GPT 5.4 and so on. So it costs about like a couple of things. So okay, everything working alright. So now let's check what it did. So it created a table called email subscribers. Okay, let me check database. Okay, we have email subscribers. Very nice. So it created the database, and it updated the RLS policies. Very nice. It created the index, the styles, and the scripts. Let me check how it looks on mobile. Wow, very nice result. Very long page, a lot of information, reviews, plans. Ready to build something amazing. So if I check now on the email, if I send an email, I should get it, right? Check. You are in. Check in your inbox for next steps. What inbox? I don't have any inbox. I should have logged in, but okay, let me just check on the database. Email subscribers. Okay, we have our first email. Very nice. So that works. We also told it to do the login. So now we need to check the login section. It says it is a very nice form, better than the other one. It says minimum 8 passwords. So let's check and let's create an account with it. Like this and like this. So this AI already has the understanding of how to create. So now it says me I have this, but of course I don't have any email, right? So now let me check this. Call it test email.com. Start free trial. You are in. So I don't have. Oh, okay. The inbox is my email. Okay. I'm dumb. I didn't understand. So the inbox is not the platform inbox. It's like the email inbox of my email. So when I write an email here, the emails, I should get an email on my inbox, right? So check your inbox for next steps. So I should receive an email. Of course, we don't have any email added to it, but it looks very nice. Okay, let's check one thing. So of course the cost is more elevated to chat with this AI, but what we can do now is to reduce the costs. We can go back to us as a dumber model, like a cheaper model, and then but let me check first the liquid model. We are going to tell it think about this code and tell me what is about. So what I want to see now, API key required, what? Okay, guys, wait a second. I'm going to do something. Plan settings. Just bear with me for a second. I need to update this model so that I can actually use it. So just wait for a second with me, no problem at all. I'm going to check here, blah blah. Hey, what? already have it. API key required. Liquid MP. Oh wait, it's not that one. I think it's the other one. Yes, it's this one. So update. Let me retry. So okay, thinking. So it's thinking. Okay. Wait, what? I just realized something, guys. I can just. Okay, so you gave me the response, but I realized that I can do something, which is the thing, the reasoning thing. This reasoning thing, it's something that I can live forever, right? The problem is that if some AI models do have reasoning, why they don't show it? So I need to check on something. But let's check that later, okay? Because we are busy doing work. There is a lot of things to check on AI. Like, there is a lot of stuff to do. So let's just be patient and just keep going. Now, I'm going to check to do something else. I'm going to talk with this one, and I'm going to tell it change the name to email club. So it should change the name to email claw. So now if I go to this website and I copy this and I click on Ctrl F, we have 9 characters across all the website, so it should change the names on all the website for the website. So let's do it. And by the way, I don't know if this is the language I should be, porque también hablo español, ¿sabes? بتكلم العربية أيضا. Euskera sincerität gut. Ah, je parle le français. Ich spreche Deutsch. Yani, ich habe viele Sachen zu sagen. Verstehen Sie, was ich meine? Vielleicht soll ich deutsche Webseite. Soll ich das auf Deutsch machen? Deutsch. Eine deutsche Webseite. AI codes it. So, wir haben hier E-Mail Claw. So, diese E-Mail Claw sollte jetzt nicht mehr gehen. Aber hier haben wir noch. Aber hat hier gewechselt. Wo noch? E-Mail Claw. Wir haben nur in 2 Plätze. So, wir haben das in der Footer noch, Flowbase. Ja, aber warum hat das passiert? Weil wir haben diese GPT-5 dann, diese eine nicht schlau, ist eine Dump. Nicht schlau. GPT 3.6 ist schlauer, weißt du? Wir haben hier think about this code and tell me what is about. Message. Wir sollen das nochmal schicken. Nein, nicht das. Change the name to email club. Senden. And once we have sent it, guys, it should give us a response that is better. It should change all the names on the all website, not only on some places. So that's the AI that we are looking for. In this case, as I told you, GPT 3.6 Plus model is the best one I have and the most cheap one. So price is good on price and is good on response. So it's nice.
Nice. Nice. So it's nice.
So we have limit reached. We have this, das, okay. Flow base, okay. So it did it. This one is better. Let me check flow base. Oh, let me refresh first. Flow base, flow base. So we have it only on the reviews, I think. No, we have it there. So it removed it here, in here, okay. So it's still not the best. We still haven't reached this AI that can understand everything and do it all in one response. But we can do stuff like this. Like you just talk and create the website. So this is insane. Actually, you can talk with any models. I think these ones, for example, like the app and router, free models. Um, so it should be like something access to free models. Oh, actually, wait. Let me see. Access to free models. So the free models, what should do? There are some models that are free, guys. They are here. So this one should be different. So I can't. Alright guys, so I end the stream. Hope you like it. See you on the next video.